Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to disconnect your Alfa Romeo Giulia battery. Before starting, always prioritize safety. Make sure your vehicle is completely off and the ignition is removed. Gather your tools, primarily a 10mm wrench. The battery is conveniently located in the trunk, under the floor panel. Taking these initial steps ensures a smooth and safe disconnection process for your vehicle. Now, let's move to the negative terminal. This is usually marked with a minus sign and often has a black cable. Using your 10mm wrench, carefully loosen the nut on the negative terminal. Once it's loose, gently remove the cable from the battery post. It's crucial to keep this cable from touching any metal parts of the car to prevent accidental short circuits. With the negative terminal safely disconnected, it's time to address the positive terminal. This one is typically marked with a plus sign and has a red cable. Again, use your 10mm wrench to loosen the nut on the positive terminal. After loosening, carefully lift the cable away from the battery post. To ensure maximum safety, secure this positive cable so it cannot accidentally come into contact with anything. When you're ready to reconnect your battery, always attach the positive terminal first. Secure it tightly with your 10mm wrench. Then, connect the negative terminal, ensuring it's also fastened firmly. Double-check both connections for stability. Remember to check the description for a link to a great water bottle and other helpful deals. This sequence helps prevent sparks and ensures your Giulia's electrical system is properly restored.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.